Lots of people ask me about Facebook ads and Instagram ads. They also have objections, like for example, many people don't like to use Facebook and Instagram on their personal lives. Maybe because they don't want their family or their friends to see what they're doing on social media. But let me tell you this, the business profile and the personal profile are completely different things. And if you don't leverage the power of Facebook ads and Instagram ads, then you're missing a great opportunity of growing your business. There is millions and millions of potential customers who are on Facebook and Instagram, so why not target them for your own benefit? So the question is not whether you should be using Facebook ads and Instagram ads or not. The real question is, when should we use Facebook ads and Instagram ads? The very first thing we're going to do before you get ready to start your campaign is making sure that you have a business profile, either on Facebook or Instagram. Once that business profile is complete as you can get it, then we need to create a pixel. It's called a Facebook pixel. This is a code that Facebook will provide you that then we install into the website, and it'll help you learn about your audience, and it'll help you track everybody who visits your Facebook page, your Instagram page, or your website. Once the pixel is in place, we're ready to actually create the first campaign and the first ads. When we do this, we need to select an objective. There are many different types of objectives. You may want to get new followers, you may want to get more traffic to your website or to your Facebook page, or maybe you want to establish new conversations with your potential customers through Facebook. Regardless of the objectives, there are 4 different things that are very important and that I would like to consider the most important things to make a successful social media campaign. Number 1 is the audience, making sure that you have the correct audience set up. Second is the placement, the different places where you're going to place your ads. The third is the ad creative, either the image or the video that you're using that you're going to be running through with your ad. And the fourth is the ad copy, making sure that you have a really engaging ad copy. What are different things that can help you optimize your social media campaign? The very first thing is that you need to give it time. When you first start creating your campaign, make sure that you give it enough time so that your pixel starts collecting information about your audience. But once you have done this for a couple of weeks, it's important that you start testing. You have to test everything with social media ads. What are the best performing ads? What are the best performing placements in your ads? What are the best performing creatives or ad copies? Everything, even the audience. The audience is probably the most important thing that you need to test. Once you have tested for a couple of weeks, then there's 2 types of campaigns that I always like to do for my customers. One is a retargeting campaign. Imagine you have a business in which you have a smaller or a larger sales cycle. Your customers are most of the time not going to purchase from you right away, but maybe they need to do research, they need to wait to be ready. But once that person visited your Facebook page, or once that person visited your website and you do a retargeting campaign, what happens is that for very, very cheap, Facebook will allow you to keep showing your ads to this person. This person is going to become more familiar with you, your brand is going to appear to be more established, and this person is going to be more likely to purchase from you when they are ready. So a retargeting campaign, it's one of the beautiful things of social media ads that I think it always needs to be present. The other one is a lookalike audience, creating a lookalike audience and then creating a campaign with that audience. What this means is a lookalike is you tell your pixel, this is exactly the characteristics of everybody who purchased my service through the campaign. Now I want you to go out there and find me everybody else who meets exactly the same characteristics because they are my potential customers. Facebook will let you do that. You don't need to tell them anything else. Just tell them what's your best performing audience and that you need to find exactly people like that who are on Facebook or Instagram and that you want to run ads for those people. So if we want to summarize, a Facebook ad and an Instagram ad, it's a great tool to potentially increase the sales for your business. You need to make sure that you keep into consideration very important factors like the audience, the placements, the ad creative, the ad copy, even the budget that you spend, and that you test everything with your campaign. Again, my name is Alex Uria. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please send me a message through the contact form on my website, or you can give me a call. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell so that you don't miss other videos like this. You guys have a great day.